go into this again.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment,
and subscribe. We'll see you guys later.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
There's the